How to add Roblox gift card on app or mobile. So for this, we are going to go to our browser here and we want to search for Roblox. So just Google search for Roblox and click on the first link here. And then we want to select the option to continue in browser, which is below continue in app. So just click on continue in browser and it will ask us to log in here with our account. So I've just inputted my information and I'm going to click on login. Now I want to press continue in browser once more. And as you can see, this has loaded Roblox onto my web browser. So here we want to click on the three dots or the three lines in the top left corner here. And then we want to go to gift cards. So after we're taken to this page, then we want to click on redeem gift card at the top right corner. And here's where we actually input the code for the gift card. So I'm just going to do an example code and then we have to check this box. And then if we click on redeem, then this will redeem our Roblox gift card onto our account. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you guys next time.